The final chapter is called A Column of Life. Meg and her sons will wait until late afternoon to go up, for this is often when there is a flurry of activity in the canopy as the macaws and toucans fly home to their roosts after foraging, and the spider monkeys show off with aerial leaps as the day cools. So first the boys show Meg the jade green pool in the shadows of a limestone cave carved out by the creek. They swim in and out of its shadows, resting on mossy rocks. Just outside the cave, over the surface of the water, epiphytes drop their aerial roots from 100 feet, 30 meters overhead. The banks of the creek here grow thick with moss and strange ferns, and the immense buttressed roots of trees are covered with thin veils of bright orange lichen. After swimming, James stands in a slender arrow of sunlight. An owl butterfly lands on his head. He holds very still for almost a minute. He wonders if the butterfly thinks his bright blonde hair is a weird flower. The boys help their mom ferry equipment in an old leaky canoe to the other side of the creek, where she will set up the gear for the column study. Biological diversity means the various and different living things that are found within a community. Although Meg's work is focused on the canopy and the creatures and processes of life that occur within it, she must be able to make a comparison with something else in order to have a true picture of how this part of the machine works. Therefore, on the other side of the river, she has marked off several 5-meter or 16-foot squares on the forest floor that are situated directly under some of the key observation platforms on the walkway. In Meg's mind, this square is like a column that stretches straight up to the canopy. It is her aim to try to inventory or count the different species of plants and insects starting from the ground